Greetings everyone. So today in this video, I just want to introduce the new Galaxy S22 Ultra and the new Galaxy Tab 8 Ultra. Those are the new two devices that I got to replace my previous devices. Now before I introduce you to these new devices, which you've probably already seen, I just want to show you how Samsung packed these things to ship it out to me. So as you can see, after opening the box, Samsung wrapped it up in these bundles of protective wrapping to make sure that it doesn't get damaged. And let me show you how long it takes me to unroll this stuff. So after unrolling all of that stuff that Samsung wrapped it up in to make sure it doesn't get damaged, which I do appreciate, then I was able to get to the keyboard attachment, the tablet itself, and the Galaxy S22 Ultra phone. So now let me show you what came in the package. First, I'm going to open up the keyboard attachment. Now the keyboard attachment for the tablet came as a free accessory just for ordering all of this in one big bundle. So the back part protects the back of the tablet and it just magnetically sticks to the tablet. And then the other part, which is the keyboard part of it, just snaps onto the bottom of the tablet itself. Now on the part that sticks to the back of the tablet, it has a protective slot that you can put your stylus in so it doesn't fall off while you're carrying it around. And when you need access to the stylus, all you have to do is just flip it up to take it out. It has a little kickstand at the bottom to adjust it to different little angles so you can use it more like a laptop if you need to. The attached keyboard, like I said, that came as a bundle free, makes it easy for you to type onto the tablet itself. Now the next thing I want to just talk about real quick is the phone itself. So this is the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now this one is the 512 gigabytes version. Now I did get a clear cover for the back of this phone because I want the color that I chose to shine through, because I really like that green color that I chose when I was ordering off the website. All right, so like I said, this is just like an introductory video. I wanted to show you how it was packed and shipped to me and some accessories that I got for the device itself. Now the keyboard accessories, like I said, came with the tablet itself. It was a free upgrade for me getting all this stuff in a bundle. And getting the phone and the tablet in a bundle, I was able to save about $200 on the tablet itself, because I did plan on getting the tablet eventually, but I said might as well I get it now since the deal was part of that bundle. Anyway, so that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for taking the time for watching. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.